David was a winner. And so the women played and sang, Saul has slain his thousands, and David his 10,000s. Saul was the king, and yet David got a greater praise from the people. And because of that, Saul got jealous. From that day on, Saul was jealous of David, to the point that Saul will plan to kill David. Now, this teaches us one thing. Jealousy does not begin with hatred. It begins with comparison. When we begin comparing ourselves with other people, either we become proud because we find people beneath us, or we become jealous because we find people who seem to be better than us. Yung kapitbahay namin, mas malaki yung TV kaysa sa amin. Yung kapitbahay ko, kabibili lang ng bagong kotse. Yung kotse namin, 16 years na hindi pa napapalitan. Kaya kung minsan nag-aaway yung mag-asawa sasabihin ng babae sa lalaki, hindi ka pa naiinggit doon sa kapitbahay natin? Yan, nagpapapinta na naman ng bahay. No? Yan. We compare. And that is sometimes the root of jealousy. When we keep comparing ourselves with other people. Just like Saul.